What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I quickly wanted to cover the graph or the GRT token because I saw that it was relatively bullish. It's up 13.5% against itself since yesterday. Volume is down a little bit now, but it's still at 15% of the market cap, which is quite good for these types of projects, because I think the graph is a great project, but there are certain projects that just they're not that hyped. They're just very good, but they're not that hyped, and they're not that hypeable, if that's even a word. So yeah, what you tend to see with those projects is that the volume is always quite low. So you see that with Compound a lot as well, for example. Great project, but the volume is quite low. But with GRT, the volume right now is quite high, and if we compare that with the last week, yeah, we have seen more volume, but it is arguably still growing a lot, so there might be a little bit more momentum, and that is exactly what we need right now. Because the main thing we're looking for with the graph or with GRT is to break out of this 41 cents level. And I think that's possible. We do not necessarily need to break it right now, but we do need to stay above 38 cents. So as long as we stay above 38 cents, and with that I mean we keep closing above 38 cents, as long as we do that, I think it's still valid to break it, and I still think it's possible to break that. And as soon as we break above 41 cents, I think we'll easily get up to like 44, or no, like 43 and 43.5 cents. And from there, it really depends on the market. I'd say we have a fair shot at actually breaking 43.5 cents and getting into a really bullish market structure, excuse me. Because if we want to get into a bullish market structure, we should break 43.5 cents. If we just break 41 cents and we get to that 43.5 cents level, that's great, but that's still arguably like neutral in terms of market structure. But if we break that, which is possible, the chances become increasingly likely if Bitcoin and the whole market actually becomes more bullish. So let's hope for that, but it's still possible. And otherwise, it's just, I mean, it's great otherwise too if we reach these levels. But we first need to break 41 cents and we need to stay above 38 cents. Because the other scenario, which is equally possible to be honest, and it's my job, I think at least, to inform you of all possible scenarios. So I think something like this is quite likely at this point of time. But the moment we break below 38 cents, I mean, it's not disastrous, but that would mean that we are going to drop down to like 35 cents again, which we have been doing for the past couple of weeks with this consolidation kind of. And from the 35 cents level, I do think we'll trend up again towards that 41 cents level, and I do think we have a bigger chance to actually break it that time around. But still, I mean, I understand you want the good moves to be happening straight away, and you don't want to wait for good moves and go down in the meanwhile. So let's in the meanwhile hope we stay above 38 cents and we break 41 cents. Those are the most important things. In the end, I think the graph has a great future, so I wouldn't worry about the long term, but this is more of a short-term outlook. So that's my analysis on GRT. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.